Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Bong Mania Overloaded. And I am back after a small hibernation with some last minute puja looks, hacks and tips. And this time I'm collaborating with my twin Shonchita from Bong Mommy's World. And this time there's a big surprise for you as we are having stiff competition from our kids and they are going to give you some fashion goals themselves. The first look that I've put together is for Shoptumi. As we all know, this year it is so different for us, and instead of pandal hopping, we are all recommended to be at home and have wonderful addas with our family and friends and enjoy our time together. So keeping that in mind, I have styled this purple Dhakai shari with orange Korai Kajer weave all over it. Styled it with a monotone sleeveless blouse and kept the accessories extremely simple yet statementy. So I have opted out of any necklace to bring all the focus on the sari and the kundan oversized studs. The makeup is kept very dewy, subtle with smoky eyes and a small bindi. So Durga Puja is essentially so much fun for the kids even if they are stuck at home this time. So for Krishnam, I have styled him with a simple shirt which is cotton and comfortable for him to roam around, and a vest and tie which makes him look dapper, and you can take it off whenever he feels uncomfortable. You can always take one color and make twinning outfits from it for the family. Like me and Krishnam here has taken the color purple, and both of our outfits have that as a dominant color. So let's bring you a look which is edgy and stylish yet has elements of tradition in it. What is Ashtami without a lal par shada shari? But this time many of us are facing the same situation of not having a matching blouse tailored for us. So what you do in the last moment, you pair it up with a top or a kurti or even a shirt that you have in your wardrobe already. So here I'm pairing my Lal Par Shada Shari with a quirky puffed sleeve t-shirt which I bought for last year and has been lying around all through the pandemic without being worn much. The toddler also goes the traditional way for Ashtami. Doesn't this dhoti and Punjabi looks adorable on Krishnam? While styling your kids, one thing you should always remember is that comfort comes first and then the style. So do remember to pair an undershirt with some overly worked Punjabi or kurta. And also, if you're located in somewhere cold during this time of the year, please do remember to make the toddler wear a legging under his dhoti so that he keeps warm. Getting back to my look again, I have kept the whole look extremely minimal and edgy. So instead of a regular gajra bun, I have paired it with a man bun. Also, I went easy on the accessories, only pairing it with my Shakha Pola, which is quintessential with the Lal Par Shada Shari, and a big red bindi, red lips, and coal eyes. Let me know how did you like this quirky take on a traditional Lal Par Shada Shari. Navami means the last night where you want to give it your best and end the pujo on a good note. So, Shonchita from Bong Mommy's World here has prepped up a look which is glamorous, statementy, and very stunning. For the Navami night dinner, she chose the black color with a pop of red in her roses and the necklace. I just love her black katan silk sari, which has a very sleek yet compact Kashmiri hand embroidery done. The red and the yellow meenakari done in the embroidery is giving it the more exquisite look. To keep the black monotone intact, Shonchita styled it with the matching blouse, which is designed by her only, which has a very exclusive net detailing at the back and a boat neck in the front. To keep all the focus on the outfit, she chose a very nude makeup look with a bindi and sindoor. So here's our very own Ma Durga on her first Durga Pujo. I just feel so sorry for her that she's not able to venture out on her first Durga Pujo, but that's all. She doesn't mind at all, it seems. So her mom actually styled her in this very much Barbie-like fairy red dress, and she looks so adorable. I'm just melting seeing her smile. Oh my god. For you all mommies, if you want to dress up your kids, don't forget the cute accessories like bows, ties, hairbands, hair clips, and it's so easy to dress up girls like this, and they look so heart melting. So let us know in your comments that how did you like all the three looks and our superstar kids in the video. And all of you, please do take our best wishes for this pujo, and please do be safe while you enjoy the festivities all around. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and do like and share the video.